Hey, Gabby here. I just wanted to give you a look-see at the back of my building here off of my deck before the big snowstorm arrives. And I'm going to keep you guys updated as it comes in, and we'll see how much we do indeed get. But right now, this is what it's looking like. Just got a little dusting on the ground, not much. Alrighty. So let me get you some light here because you can't really see me. There we are. Okay, so we'll check back in as the storm progresses, but right now it's just starting to get cloudy here. Good morning, everyone. Just getting ready to open up the big blinds and see what I'm waking up to this morning. Let's see what's going on outside because it looks like it's definitely been snowing. Oh, yes. Definitely got our snow last night. Alright. Won't be going anywhere today, I don't think. Wow. It's very quiet. Well, this is the parking lot so far today. Doesn't look like they've plowed yet, so definitely don't think I'm going anywhere. It doesn't even look like they've plowed the main roads over there. Wow. Nobody's left yet. So this is Gabby. I'll be back again later, and I hope you will be too. Bye.